Hey everyone, today we're going to install JLT catch can in a 2006 F150 with a 3.5 Ecoboost V6 engine. To the right we have our tools. First we have an impact driver. It has a Phillips bit in it. Then we have a ratchet with a 10mm socket and extension. Then we have a drill with a 1/4 inch bit. It wasn't mentioned in the required tools, but you'll see how it comes in handy when we put in the second clip and bolt. To the left we have the parts that came with our kit. First we have the catch can bracket, then we have 2 M6 bolts and the 2 J clips, 2 machine thread screws, and then this is for a 5 liter with a supercharger. We won't need this. And then we have our catch can with the hoses. One end has a 45-degree connection that goes in the front, and the other has a 90-degree connection that goes in the back. So that basically is everything we need. So now we'll cut over to the install. Okay, so here we are. First we're going to remove the engine cover. Remove the oil cap and then pull the cover loose from its clips. Then we're going to remove the battery cable holder clip from the battery holder flange. That will expose a hole that we'll use to mount the catch can bracket. Then we'll take our first J clip and slip it over the flange and then line it up with the hole that the battery cable clipped into. Then we'll attach the catch can bracket to the clip using one of the M6 bolts, and that'll enable us to find the location for the second hole in the bracket. So then we'll use our drill to create the second hole, and then we'll attach our second clip so that we can attach the other side of the bracket with our other M6 bolt. So then we'll tighten the bolts to secure the bracket. And next what we'll do is get a flat screwdriver and remove the clip so we can remove the stock PCV hose. And now we'll attach the catch can hoses. The 45-degree end is attached to the front, and then the 90-degree end is attached to the rear. And then after adjusting the hoses, we can now attach the catch can to the bracket using the 2 machine screws. We're going to use an impact driver with a Phillips bit to secure the catch can, but a regular Phillips screwdriver would work also. Just the impact is a little bit faster. So there we are, completely installed. So here we are, completely installed. There are a couple of additional things I did after the initial install. First, I ran the front catch can line under the air intake. It took up the extra slack and helped it route under the engine cover better. The second thing I did is I drilled an additional 1/4 inch hole in front of the catch can bracket and reinstalled the battery cable clip into that hole. As you can see, now everything looks tidy and well arranged. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please select like and I will be very grateful. I will also be posting additional tip videos, so if you subscribe you'll be notified immediately when I do. Thank you very much for watching.